Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our channel.
Hi!
Let's play. Look! These are surprise eggs from Zenon's farm. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa!
Let's play. Purple. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! It's a chick! Chick! Excellent!
Yay!
This is the farm with little birds and bunnies jumping all around. The turkeys gobble, the chickens cluck.
All right!
Awesome! Yellow. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! It's Tito. Tito. Excellent!
Crazy, I know. A pig oinked, a calf cried, a duck flew off, a dog barked, a cow mooed, then a horse kicked.
All right!
Very good. Orange. 1, 2, 3. Fantastic! It's Batarasa the hen. Hen! You've done it!
Yay!
Where is the chicken Batarasa? Batarasa, Batarasa. Where is the chicken Batarasa? Batarasa's not here. Is she in the hen house? She's not.
Very well, folks. We have played and learned so much together. Come back soon, folks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to keep on playing. Goodbye.
Bye-bye!